Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your Ethereum to ZkSync Era at the cheapest possible price. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So converting Ethereum can be expensive because of the huge gas fees. So there are two ways of converting your Ethereum to ZkSync Era. The first is you can use a centralized exchange and the second one is you can use a bridge. So I will show you both. Now, if you want to use a centralized exchange, I would suggest is you have an account on Bybit. Now, if you don't have an account on Bybit, you can use my sign up referral link in the description where you can get the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use the referral code as crypto505. So I will leave both of them in the description. Now, if you check the Bybit over here, as you can see, once you purchase Ethereum on the Bybit network, you can go ahead and withdraw it on the ZkSync Era network. And if we talk about the withdrawal fees over here, it's only like 0.0003 Ethereum, which is close to $1 as of date. So, which is a good thing to be honest. And the second option you can use is you can use a bridge. So, bridge can be Owl2 Finance over here. Now, with regards to bridging from Ethereum to ZkSync Era on Owl2 Finance, you may potentially qualify for Owl2 airdrop as well. Although this is not 100% guaranteed, I mean, because I think they have something called as a point system over here, where more the points, more the Owl2 airdrop you would be getting. Alternatively, you can use a bridge called as Orbiter Finance because I think even Orbiter Finance does not have a token. So this might help you qualify for the airdrop for Orbiter Finance as well. So let me check if Orbiter Finance has a token or not yet. So Orbiter Finance also doesn't have a token. So you can use Orbiter Finance also, and this may potentially help you qualify for the airdrop. Also, you can use ZK swap bridge over here to convert your Ethereum to ZkSync Era. And with regards to the bridging time, as you can see, it's estimated like 60 seconds, which is close to 1 minute, with a bridging efficiency of 99.9%. Now, the thing with ZK swap and Sync swap is like you usually get gas fee refund most of the time. So at times it can be like 30%, 60%, and the maximum is like 99%. So I keep using Sync swap and ZK swap to do most of my swapping transactions because of the gas fee savings that I do. So this is how you can convert your Ethereum from Ethereum to ZkSync Era at the cheapest possible price. Although the bridging is a bit expensive as compared to the centralized exchange. So if you are not comfortable with the centralized exchange, you can use the bridges which I talked about. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.